Sun comes up before I do, boots already by the door. Coffee strong, gotta move, got 1,000 birds or more. Check the lines, check the feed, make sure everything's just right. Ain't no clock out time for me, this is day and night. Fans humming, heaters glowing, every little chick keeps growing. This is a grower's life, living on the edge of dawn. Dust in the air, but we keep pushing on. From baby chicks to market weight, every day we calculate. It's hard work, yeah, but it pays the price. Wouldn't trade this grower's life. Walk the houses, count again, listen close for any sound. One small change can mean a lot when you got birds around. Storm rolls in, power's out, heart beats faster than before. Fire up the generator, ain't losing one, not on my floor. Sweat dripping, time don't slow, but we love to watch them grow. This is a grower's life, built on faith and sacrifice. Long days, long nights, but it's honest, simple life. From sunrise into the dark, we give it all, we play our part. Yeah, it's tough, but it's worth the fight. Living proud, that grower's life. Well, it's soft, but the work's not gone. Boots on the ground, dark outside, but the fans hum loud, dust in the air, sweat on my skin. Another long day about to begin. Walk them houses, check every line, water flowing, feet on time. They see trucks, land and barns so wide, but they don't see what's behind. They just see numbers, they don't see pain. Don't feel the heat, don't smell that rain. Don't count the losses, don't know the fight, just judge the life from the outside. They say, man, you got it made. Easy money, big